Good morning, good afternoon, good evening once again. I'm Mohit Jain from MJ's Maths and Stats, that is MJ's Magic Studio. And this time we are on with missing numbers in the pictorial diagram. एक picture बना होगा और उसमें कुछ number missing होंगे and generally those are represented by a question mark. We need to identify कौन इस जगह पर आना चाहिए. So basically in such type of question, a mathematical series is given inside a figure or table, etc. Candidate is required to identify the pattern of the series and accordingly find the missing number and write the correct alternative. First example is there on your screen. Try it out and identify what should come at the place of question mark. Pause the video and try it out. Becomes 30. 5 into 6 is 30. 4 becomes 20. 4 into 5 is 20. Wow. 2 becomes 6. 2 into 3 is 6. What kind of numbers are these? Looking closely to this, we identified that these are nothing but oblong numbers. You can watch my playlist on magical numbers और उन magical numbers की list में oblong numbers के बारे में दिया हुआ है and many more different kinds of numbers which you can practice. Go through it. So we have oblong number. 3 के बाद कौन होना चाहिए? 3 into 4 is 12. Very small nutshell, what are oblong numbers? Product of two consecutive numbers are known as oblong numbers. उनकी series कैसे चलती है? 2. 2 into 3 6. 3 4 12. 4 5 20. 5 6 30. 6 7 42, and this is known as oblong number 3. So we can see we have 6, then 12, then 20, and then 30, which are oblongs of 2, 3, 4, and 5. Answer 12. Thank you, Nidhi Kumari, Electrical Department, 4th year BTech student, for suggesting this solution. And oblong number is there on my playlist of magical numbers. Okay, one more example on the screen. Where is the question mark? Here is the question mark. Table बना के दिया है. इस kind of question में row, column, diagonal कुछ भी आप check करके कोई system follow करने की कोशिश करिए. Pause the video and identify the answer. As suggested, try करना चाहिए column या row कहीं पर total कुछ match करे तो 8 plus 10, 18 plus 7. अगर इसका total हम 25 लिखते हैं 8 and 8 16 plus 9 25 और उसी पैटर्न को अगर मैं फॉलो करूं इसका टोटल भी 25 होना चाहिए. and this missing number should be 10 plus 7 is 17. 27 minus 17, that is 8. Yes, 8 can be the answer. अब किसी ने सजेस्ट किया सर रो वाइज भी देख लो. 8 plus 9 17 plus 10 27. 8 plus 7 15 plus 10 25. Nothing is matching. But अगर ऐसे मैच करें 27 minus 25 फिर is 2, then gap of 2 पर आए तो 23 बन जाए शायद. Now 7 plus 8 is 15 and 23 minus 15 is 8 again. Bingo. Anyway you can move. रो वाइज भी हमारा सेटअप होता है 27, 25, 23 का. कॉलम वाइज भी हमारा सेटअप होता है 25, 25, 25. आंसर इज 8. होपफुली आउट ऑफ दीज टू एनी वन ऑफ दिस यू मस्ट हैव डन. एंड both solutions were suggested by Mr. Kishu Raj, a young electrical engineer, 4th year of TINT. Again, all these episodes are sponsored by Techno International Newtown, Kolkata. And we are preparing for our D-Day. And when is the D-Day? 16th September. Hashtag 16th September. And yes, your answer is correct. So, कैसे आया आपका करेक्ट आंसर जानते हैं. 2 3 4 2 5 7 giving me 126. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9, 6, 8, 9. This is divisible by 9. Very good. 7 plus 5 is 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 into 9 is 126. Bingo. सेट मिल गया. सिमिलरली यहाँ सेट करने का कोशिश करते हैं. 9 plus 3, 12. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 into 12. 12, 2, 8, 16. 1, 3, 8, 1. Yes, it is 216. Bingo. So the pattern is add this group and multiply. So इस ग्रुप में तो मिसिंग है, नीचे वाले को ऐड करते हैं. 10 plus 2 is 12. 144 by 12 should give me 12. So total of this should be 12. 1 plus 5 plus question mark should be 12. Question mark is 6. Yes, answer is 6. And I know you all have got it correct. And the solution was suggested by Electrical Department, Rakesh Das, 4th year of TINT. Thank you, Mr. Rakesh. Yes, whatever you have found out for this question mark is correct. This time I have taken a different pattern. यहाँ बहुत बड़े बड़े नंबर आ रहे हैं बीच में as far as these numbers are concerned. तो अगर मैं प्लस करता हूँ, इनको ऐड करता हूँ, 9 plus 7, 16. But when I divide 302 by 16, ये 16 and 142 नहीं हो रहा डिवाइड, कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़. इसका मतलब I should use another pattern. पहला पैटर्न क्या था हमारा? Add and multiply. Let us this time check multiply and add. Why can't we? Let's check this. 5 into 6, 30. 30 into 8 is 240. Great. 4 into 7, 28. 28 into 9 is 252. Bingo. If I add 240 and 252, I'm getting 492. Let's try out here. 4 into 7 into 5, 140. 3 into 6, 18. 18 into 9, 162. And add up, I'll get 302. Similar pattern. 3 into 8 into 7 will give me 168. Now 468 minus 168 is 300. So 10 into 2 into star or question mark should give me 300. 300 by 20 is 15. Question mark position is 15. So what was the general policy which we were following? हम नॉर्मल टेंडेंसी ये फॉलो करते हैं और हमें काफी समय ये पैटर्न मिल जाते हैं. ऐड करके मल्टीप्लाई करके देखना या मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड करके देखना, और इस बार सेकंड पैटर्न फिट्स इन एंड द आंसर इज 15. थैंक यू मिस्टर पॉल, मिस्टर देवांजन पॉल फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट. once again these people are making me go crazy like anything. Thank you for the solution. Yes, so we can have, I hope you have the correct answer. Now, how to find it? 8 plus 10, 18. And 18 is multiple of 9. If I check like this, 18 by 9 is giving me 2. Or I can say 18 by 2 is 9. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 by 7 is 2, or 14 by 2 is 7. Wonderful. So if I follow that pattern, 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10 by 2 should give me 5. Yes, 5 is there in the option. Can we go with some other kind of idea? और कुछ मिलता है क्या? Let's see. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 1 plus 9 is 10. स्पाइरल बना रहा हूं मैं, गोल्डन ट्रायंगल जैसा लग रहा है. ट्राई करते हैं फिर से. 9 minus 8 is 1. 8 plus 9, sorry, 1 plus 9 is 10. देखूं क्या यही स्पाइरल यहाँ बनता है क्या? 7 minus 7 is 0. 0 plus 7 is 7. Wow. 5, 5 question mark. So x minus 5 is x minus 5 plus x. So x minus 5 plus x should give me 5 again. That means 2x is 10. Bingo, x is 5. यहाँ से भी 5 मिलता है. It's your choice. It's your choice. The first solution with black ink was suggested by Mr. Viswas, Sabrajit Viswas from Electrical, and this golden triangle, golden spiral solution in red ink is suggested by me. And if you want to learn more about golden triangle, you can go back to the series of magical numbers. There we have golden ratios and Fibonacci numbers. Very interesting one. Let's move on. Yes, you have the correct answer, I know. Let's see how and what should be the correct answer. Black pen. Sir, 7 plus 13 is giving me 20. 8 से अगर 23 को compare करूं, 8 plus 15 is giving me 23. So 9 plus, if I try to maintain this pattern of addition, I'll add 17. The 9 plus 17 is giving me 26. Is 26 available? Yes. Okay, one more way. So 7 into 3 minus 1 is 20. 21 minus 1. 8 into 3 is 24. Minus 1 is 23. Good. Then 9 into 3 minus 1 should be the missing number. It is also 26. Let's try with some other color. So there is a pattern among 7, 8 and 9. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So if we follow the same trend, 20 plus 3 is 23 and 23 plus 3 should give 26. Wow. Same answer with 3 different reasoning styles. This you will find more questions. Pause the video, do it yourself and then look out for the solutions. And if you need explanation to those answers and those solutions, please let me know in the comment box. I'm Mohit Jain and these were the students from PINT Newtown, 4th year BTech, Kolkata. Thank you all for participating. I'll see you soon. Signing off from MJ's Magic Studio. That's MJ's Maths and